In this video, I'm going to show you how to earn $2,197 just by listening to music, which is one of the easiest ways to make money online. How do you do it? We're about to find out. This is how to earn $4.50 per song by listening to music. Also, only half of the people that watch my videos are actually subscribed. So if you end up getting value out of this video, consider subscribing with the notifications bell ticked on. It's free and you can always change your mind later. In that way, I will notify you whenever I have a new and fresh strategy to make money online, so you can be one of the first to use it. Thus, of course, make the most money. Now, let's get into the video. The first thing I want you to do is head over to SoundCloud.com. Basically on this website, you can discover and find different songs and music to listen to. To create an account is absolutely free. You don't have to spend a dime to sign up on SoundCloud. As you can see here, there's a lot of different trending songs that you can listen to, and all this music is available in different languages. The best part is that you can download SoundCloud into your smartphone. It doesn't matter whether you are using an Android phone or an iPhone, you can still download the app for free. If you're using an Android phone, you can go to the Google Play Store and search for SoundCloud, play music and songs, and the app will look like this. Just make sure you download the right app. On the other hand, if you're using an iPhone, you can go to the Apple App Store and download the same app as you can see here. Now, I want you to comment down below, and let me know the type of device you are using. Are you using an Android phone, or an iPhone? Moving on, once you have downloaded SoundCloud into your smartphone, you're now able to discover, and explore all types of music that you can listen to inside the app. What I usually do, is I scroll down below, and I click on this button right here which is Explore Trending Playlists. From there, we will be taken to this page. As you can see, this is where you can find all of the trending music that's classified into different categories. For example, if you want to listen to music in this particular category, just click on it and from there, you will be taken to this page. The next thing you do, is click on this play button right here to start listening to the music. Actually, there is a playlist associated with this song. As you can see, there are 50 tracks in this playlist and you can listen to all of this music on your smartphone or computer. Now that you understand how you can find music on SoundCloud, I want to introduce you to azlyrics.com, where you can look for different music lyrics. There's a lot of music available on this platform. Say for example, if I want to look for the lyrics of the song by Charlie Puth, Light Switch, I just have to enter the artist name or song title right here, and select the song from this drop-down results. And from there, I'm going to be taken to this page, where I can just listen to the music. I want you to take careful note of this next part, so that you don't make any mistakes. As you can see here, this is the name of the song, and these are all of the lyrics. This is an incredible opportunity for you to actually listen to the music and transcribe the lyrics. So for a very simple song like this, usually ranging from 2 to 4 minutes long, you can easily make some money over and over again simply by transcribing. Now take a look at this. For every single audio minute, you will get paid $1.50 just by listening to music and transcribing it into lyrics. The standard length for a typical song is about 3 minutes. So based on these earnings, you can earn $4.50 per song. So the next thing that I want you to do is head over to this next website, which is rev.com. On this website, you can find different job opportunities to transcribe a lot of music. There are different categories of jobs that you can do here, such as transcription, captions, and global translated subtitles. So subtitles, for example, once you listen to the music right here, and you transcribe it into lyrics, you will get paid for every single minute of the audio you transcribed. Make sure you keep watching this video, because I will be showing you several software that you can use for free, and it will do all the work for you. Now let us go back to rev.com. I want you to scroll down to the very bottom of this website and click on freelancers. From there, you will be taken to this page where you can earn money online just by transcribing or captioning from home. The best part about this website is you can work as much or as little as you want, whenever you want. You also have the independence of selecting projects that actually interest you. You will also receive weekly payouts for all work completed directly into your PayPal account. When you scroll down, you will see that there are basically 2 categories of jobs on this website, transcriptionist and captioner. I want you to select transcriptionist and click on Learn More. That will then take you to this page, where you can read around the website for more information. For example, this is how you can sign up and get approved to start transcribing. All you have to do is just enter your first name, last name, email address and your country. As you can see here, they are basically accepting people from all over the world. It doesn't matter which country you're coming from. You can join this opportunity from wherever you are right now. With that said, I want you to comment down below, and let me know which country you're watching this video from. In that way, I can create specific videos for your region in my future videos. Now, I'm going to show you another website that you can use to transcribe so that you can maximize your earnings and earn double the money. Another website that you can sign up for, listen to music, and get paid by simply transcribing the music into lyrics is GoTranscript.com. So simply head over to GoTranscript.com, scroll to the very bottom of the page and click on Work. Basically, they pay competitive rates for online transcription jobs. As you can see here, for every single audio or video minute, you get paid 60 cents. This means that for a typical 3-minute song you can earn $1.80 for listening to it and transcribing it. As you can see here, there are quite a number of benefits that come with working with GoTranscript.com. So if you want to sign up for a free account and start making money, all you have to do is just click on this Apply Now button right here. And from there, you will be taken to this page where you can create your free account. To do so, just enter your email address and password, and just click on the Sign Up button. As simple as that. A bonus tip that I want to share with you is that you should sign up on multiple platforms, such as GoTranscript.com and Rev.com. In that way you can get more job opportunities worldwide. Now that you have signed up on both websites, and are ready to make money transcribing music into lyrics, here is the next step. I want you to head over to this website, otranscribe.com. This is a free web app that will make the transcription job very simple. Now, I want you to click on this blue button right here, so you can start transcribing. All you need is a link, or the downloaded music file to start. For example, if you go to soundcloud.com to get music to transcribe, you should be able to find the share button. When you click on this button, it's going to open up this box where you can actually find a link to this particular music track. This here is the entire share link of the music track. Just copy this link right here and download the music file. The next step is simple. Just click on this button right here to upload the music file that you have just downloaded. And from there, this free tool will help you automatically transcribe the entire soundtrack. But sometimes it will have a little bit of grammatical errors that you have to correct manually. Right now I'm going to share another bonus tip with you that's going to help you multiply your earnings. When you go to Rev.com, as you can see here, a typical transcription job will pay you $1.50 per minute. But when you look at global translated subtitles, they pay from $5 to $12 per minute. These are definitely higher earnings. So let me show you what you can do. Let us go back to soundcloud.com. You can find different kinds of music in foreign languages on here that are not in English. The reason they're paying you a much higher rate is because it's a bit more challenging to transcribe music from different foreign languages into English. This brings us to the next website, deepl.com, which is a free online translator. You can use this tool to translate music from foreign languages into English. Say for example, Portuguese music into English. It also works the other way around, and that's translating English music into any language that you want. Like French, German, Spanish, or any other language. So there we go. And now, check out this video to discover how you can make a passive income online. Anyone can do this, and I'll show you how to do it in this video right here. Check it out. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to drop a like and subscribe with notifications on, so you don't miss out on any of the new content. As always, I'll see you in the next video.